while we're waiting the 4 to 5 minutes for the tea to make, it's going to explain the packaging. This comes in a package like normal tea bags come in. It's paper, and it comes with 1 tea bag in the package. I already had one of these open. Okay. This one comes in a kind of a tinfoil top package. A lot stronger. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with 4 tea bags in it. So us personally, outside of flavor and tasting what we like, this is the one we take with us when we go to work. It's just easier to carry with us and less likely to get contaminated.
Also, I just wanted to add in here that we take these hiking with us, and these are a great packaging to use when you go hiking or hunting or anything like that. Like, this is very durable. It will survive your bag. So these are the colors of the tea after they've steeped.
Let me zoom in.
Let you see the colors. This one's more yellow, this one's more golden looking. And these are the brands of each one. You can see by their little tea tags. So I'm going to taste test these. I'm going to taste the Bigelow one first. I think that's how you say it. The Bigelow Green Tea Classic. And this is the one we use this one all the time for like everything.
The honey and lemon.
So this one's really,
The honey and lemon.
this one's really, is it still recording? So I didn't know. This one's really, I don't really know how to explain it. It's not too bitter, but it's not.
Like, leave it in there too long, it'll get bitter.
You know, if you leave it in there too long, it's going to get bitter. It's more of a smooth tea flavor. I guess kind of similar to Earl Grey. And this one is I think it's called Uncle Lee's tea. So this one is more flavorful than this one. This one's a little bit lacking in flavor of green tea wise. I'm gonna taste it again. This one's more earthy, more herbal like, and this one's more, I guess you would say this is like a dark coffee and this is like light. I do prefer this one. But this is plain without anything in it. It doesn't have any honey, any lemon in it. We usually do honey and lemon. So we're going to taste test these with, are you going to put honey?
Yeah, I'll put some honey in.
Okay, so we're going to taste test these with some lemon and some honey.
We normally use fresh lemon, but we don't have any.
Yeah, we're completely out of fresh lemons. That's usually what we use. This one does have a little bit of a papery smell. I think that's how I would say it. And this one has more of an actual tea smell. I don't want to contaminate the tea flavors.
Ghost coming over.
Okay, so I know I like this one. This one's actually really good this way. So with just the right amount of lemon and honey, it really just goes together. We've actually not. We've not had this one, have we?
I have.
Well, I haven't had this one, so this is my first time taste testing this one.
It's got more of a grassy taste.
It's more bland. This one has more of the tea flavor. This one's more, it's missing the tea. It's maybe if you steeped it longer, maybe. So these went the same time, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
So see, this one, you can tell the difference in color. This one's way stronger.
Yeah, they've been steeping for probably, looks like 7 minutes.
Yeah, so this one's way stronger. You get way more green tea flavor. This one is just, it has a paper taste to it. I'm not a fan. Not really.
That don't mean it's bad.
No, I just don't like it.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean it's bad. I just don't like it.
And the lemon and honey is good for sinuses. It'll break mucus loose. Like you'll start hawking it out. You have anything else to say?
I prefer this one over the other one flavor-wise. But other than, I mean, they're really good. I guess it depends on the person, really.
Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.